Collision Prevention Assist Plus comprises the distance warning function with an autonomous emergency braking function and adaptive brake assist. It can assist in minimizing the risk of a collision with the vehicle in front. To activate or deactivate Collision Prevention Assist Plus, navigate to the Assistance menu in the onboard computer and select Collision Prevention. If Collision Prevention Assist Plus is deactivated, this is shown by the corresponding symbol in the Assistance graphic menu. At speeds of around 30 km per hour or more, a warning lamp in the instrument cluster indicates that the distance maintained to the vehicle travelling in front is insufficient at the current driving speed. If you approach a vehicle in front very quickly, you are also warned by an intermittent tone if you're travelling at a speed above 7 km per hour. React to the warning by braking immediately or taking evasive action, provided it is safe to do so. Adaptive Brake Assist provides braking assistance in hazardous situations at speeds above 7 km per hour by boosting your braking pressure. It uses the radar sensor system as an aid to detect obstacles and calculate the required braking force. If the braking pressure is not enough to prevent a collision, it is boosted by Adaptive Brake Assist. ABS prevents the wheels from locking in the event of heavy braking. Brake Assist is deactivated and the brake functions as normal again as soon as you release the brake pedal again and the risk of a front-end collision passes. If you do not react to the warning, Collision Prevention Assist Plus may initiate automatic braking in order to minimize the risk of a collision or reduce the effects of such a collision. Collision Prevention Assist Plus is only an aid and can be impaired by various factors. For this reason, always pay attention to traffic conditions and your surroundings.